I wanted to bring a little bit of Argentina and what Argentina represents into Mississippi. We either have Argentinian tango playing or something upbeat. They're going to hear us in the back because we're yapping the whole time that we're here. We wanted to create a space that would be comfortable for everyone. Mi nombre es Evelyn Áviles, dueña de Buenos Aires Bakery en Ridgeland, Mississippi, y esto es
strawberry cheese.
Okay, she'll come over here. All right, here you go. People love the variety. People love that they can come in and have, if they want something chocolatey, there's something chocolate. If they want something fruity, there's always something fruity. So it's really amazing to have that relationship with them, to know them at a personal level as well. It's very nice to get to know them.